what is surface area? What does surface area mean?
It's
Just in general terms, what does surface area mean?
the
If you are
area.
having a computer screen there, what does surface area mean there, beta?
It's like on a shape, the face
If you're
of an
having the
area.
computer screen on your friend, what is the area? Area is nothing but the region that is occupied, right? The region that is
Yeah,
occupied by your screen, the total region you're going to calculate, correct?
yeah.
For
The
example,
face.
your computer screen is a rectangular screen, right? Beta, this is a computer screen, this is a rectangular screen. Do you know the surface area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle? What is the area of rectangle, beta?
Like, what do you mean?
Area of you have area of rectangle, you have perimeter of rectangle, area of rectangles. Area is nothing but length into width, right?
Yeah,
Do you remember length into width? How will you
yeah.
calculate area of
Length times.
rectangle? We'll see length into width, then we'll find this area. Area is nothing but the total surface that is covered inside these two dimensions, correct? Understood?
Yeah,
What does area
yeah,
mean? It is total surface that is covered inside this two dimensions. If this is two dimension, then this two dimension is length and width. Inside this two dimensions, how much area is covered? This is called as area, correct? Area is
yeah.
equal to length into width of just a rectangle, correct? What about a square, beta? If there are two sides, side and side, what is the area for the square?
Isn't it also length times width?
Yes, length and width, but we have same length and same width, so we'll write yes, yes. It is yes into yes, which is yes square, right? Side into
Oh
side, which is side square, right? Okay, this is the
yeah,
same. Okay, what about a triangle, beta? What is the area of a triangle? Aren't this the two-dimensional figures? Which is they have just given two dimensions, right?
yeah.
So in a triangle, what comes into picture, Aisha? We have a triangle. We want a base and a height. Okay. So
Okay.
what is the area
So
of a triangle?
base times height.
Half into base into height. Okay, you have to remember this: half into base into.
Wait, why 1/2?
It is the general ruling because half into base into height is applied for every area in a triangle.
Okay. Oh,
Okay, because you cannot write base into height because it covers whole of it in this way.
okay.
Understood? If you write base
Yeah.
into height, beta, if you write base into height, then you are actually finding the area of the rectangle, correct?
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes. So instead of base into height, what you do is half of it gives you a triangle actually. Understood? So
Okay.
we write half into base into height. Understood now? Why we are going to write half into base into height? This is the
Yeah.
area of two-dimensional figures. Fine? Two-dimensional figures. So these are the areas of two-dimensional figures. You just have to remember this. Fine? This is basic. Now you're going to have three-dimensional figures, which gives you the surface areas. Fine?
Mhm.
In this curriculum of yours, this homework that your mom has sent, the assignment topics, it is nothing but about, I'll just take it. Okay, it's about the surface area in three dimensions. Okay, do you know to recognize three-dimensional surfaces? Come on, tell me, what is this, beta? If you have something in this way, what is this, beta?
It's a square, right?
Is it not a square? It is not a square. It is a cube or a rectangular prism. Is it not? What is this 3D
Oh,
object called? Okay, what about this one? I'll just mention something else. What about this one, Aisha? Okay, you have no idea regarding this.
no, I don't have any idea about that.
Okay, 3D objects, I guess you have studied in grade 5 or 6. Don't you
Yeah, I
remember it?
think.
Yes,
Yeah, I
you,
think.
you have studied in grade 6. I have students of grade 6 who know already all the 3D objects, Aisha. So I'll just revise to you, beta, how these 3D objects are, okay? I'll tell you what these 3D objects are. If you have a rectangle in the base, and you're having something like triangles in the upper part, then it is called as a prism. Okay?
So if you have a triangle as.
Even if you have a triangle at the base and if you have triangles on the top, okay, all should be the triangles. Then we call it as sorry, this is not a prism, this is a pyramid. Okay? You know the pyramid of Giza and all? What are they actually? They have triangles in their upper surface. Understood?
Yeah. Yeah.
The base might change. Base might be a triangular based pyramid. This is triangular based pyramid and this is rectangular based pyramid. Okay? This is a pyramid.
Wait, so if any shape that has a triangle in it, then it's a
Top.
prism.
In its top is called as a
Oh,
pyramid.
okay.
Okay? It's pyramid, beta. Pyramid is not prism. I just misquoted it. It is pyramid. Fine?
Oh, okay.
Okay, pyramid. What is pyramid? It is nothing but it is having triangles on its top. Okay, and it might have any base. It might have a three-shaped base that is nothing but triangular based pyramid. It can be a triangular based pyramid, or it can be a rectangular based pyramid, or it can be a pentagonal based pyramid. Okay, or it can be a hexagonal based pyramid. If, for example, let's write a pentagonal based pyramid. You just have to draw a pentagon down, and then you're going to draw a triangles on all of the above surface. Understood? It is pentagonal based pyramid. Okay? It should meet at a point. It should meet at a point and it should be like a cone at the top. Fine?
Yeah.
And it should have a base at its base. It should have a base which should be a rectangle. It can be of any shape. It can be a rectangle, it can be a square, it can be a triangle, etc. Okay? Understood? Any doubts?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a pyramid. And now we just discuss about pyramid. For example, if you have two rectangular bases, take a beta, two rectangular bases, and everything else up, apart from this is rectangle. Okay, I'll give you another example. If you have two triangles on the top and bottom, okay, in the two bases you have triangles, and everything is a rectangle. Is it not rectangles here?
It is, yeah.
This is a rectangle. The front surface is a rectangle. The side surface is a rectangle. This surface is a rectangle. This surface is a rectangle. The above is a rectangle. Below is a rectangle. So this is called as a prism. Okay. Prism is nothing but it has base of different shapes. Okay. So this is triangular prism. Base will be different shape, but the sides will always be. It has two bases with different shapes. For example, it is a triangular prism, and sides will always be rectangle. Just you have to remember this. Okay. Sides will always be rectangles. What more examples?
If the sides are a rectangle, then we know it's a prism.
Okay, sides are rectangle, then you have to frame that it is a prism. Excellent. Okay, another example I'll give you from, let's write for a pentagon. If this is a pentagon, we should have two pentagons. Okay, beta? Two, one on the top, one on the base. Two pentagons and everything else should be rectangles. See here, rectangle faces. Fine? The pentagonal prism. Understood?
Understood.
So we have gone through the three topics today. It is a prism, a pyramid. Okay? Okay. Only prism and the pyramids are there currently in your homeworks. Okay? Chalo. So we'll see the surface area. What is the surface area, beta? Now we are going to see the surface area in the 3D objects. Okay? 3D objects, just we have studied two 3D objects. One is prisms and one is a pyramid, right?
Yeah.
So we have different pyramids and different prisms. So what is the surface area? Surface area of any given object is the area of the region occupied by the surface of the object. Okay. So it is the total area that is occupied by the object. Okay. For example, if you are writing what is this rectangular prism, or you can also call it as a cube or cuboid. Okay. We actually give names for a rectangular prism. Rectangular prism, we gave a name called cube. Okay. It is a cube or a cuboid. Okay. Cube, if there is a square on all of the faces, then we call it as a cube, and if you have a rectangle on all the faces, then we call it as a cuboid. This is in depth. I think you have studied in previous classes, but you do not remember. No problem, but just remember that it is a rectangular prism because it has all the rectangular sides and two rectangles on its bases. Okay. Bases are two rectangles. So each one has a surface area, right? A surface area. For example, to calculate the surface area for this rectangular prism beta or the cuboid, what you have to do is you have to calculate the total areas of each surface. Okay? Areas of each surface. How we are going to do that, we'll see in the next slide. Okay? So, for example, Okay, in the geometry, what do we have? What different things we have? Spheres, we have cubes, we have cuboids, we have cones, we have cylinders, we have. Each shape has its surface area, right? So we have
Yeah.
different shapes, different 3D shapes. Cones will have the surface area, cylinder has a surface area, prisms have a surface area, pyramids have a surface area. Okay? Now we are going to study the surface area of a pyramid. Okay, how will we calculate the surface area of a pyramid, beta? I just discussed the pyramids can be rectangular pyramids or triangular pyramids, right? But
Yeah.
all of the above should have triangles, correct? If it is a triangle, this, come on, tell me which shape is this one, beta?
Which one?
I've just drawn that I have just drawn. You have to check the base. In a pyramid, you have to check
Oh,
the base. Is it triangular based pyramid?
it's a pyramid.
Yes, it is a pyramid, but the base is triangular, so you call it triangular based pyramid. Okay, the figure that is
Uh-huh.
here with, and now please tell me which is this pyramid. Check
It's
the base. Is it rectangular based pyramid?
the base is rectangular, so it's
Yes, excellent.
rectangle.
We call it as a rectangular based pyramid. Understood, my Aisha?
Yeah.
Rectangular based pyramid. So this is a rectangular based pyramid. Fine, Rita? Okay, now how to calculate the surface area of this? Okay, so how are we going to calculate it? Let's open this up. Let's open this pyramid up. So we have how many surfaces here, beta? One triangle, two triangle, three triangle, four triangles, right?
Yeah.
Yes, we have four triangles and one
Rectangle.
excellent. Okay, how are we calculating the total surface is nothing but one rectangle, area of the one rectangle plus area of the 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, what are the 4? What are these 4? Triangles, right?
Triangles.
Four
Yeah.
triangles. Excellent. To calculate the areas of these four triangles, what we actually need is the slant height, okay? Not the actual height, beta. We are not going to find the actual height because actual height of the pyramid doesn't gives you the actual area of this triangle, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So we want the height from this point till this point, right, beta?
Yeah.
So we want the height, which is called as the slant height. Just remember, this height is called of each triangle is called as a slant height and not the height. Even if they have given the height, for example, Aisha, if they have given the height and not the slant height, then how will you calculate the slant height, beta? This is a height they have given, okay? They have not given the slant height. This is a slant height. The red mark that is going on now, this is slant height. For example, if they have not given the slant height to you, how will you calculate the slant height? Do you know there's something called Pythagoras theorem?
What theorem?
Pythagoras theorem.
Yeah, we've done that.
You have done that, right? So we have a triangle here. What we'll do is we'll frame a triangle and then calculate this part, okay?
Oh, okay.
We actually need the slant height. Just I'm telling you, we actually need the slant height. Understood?
Understood.
Okay. So yeah, we need one base, area of one base, and one slant height, and this one. Triangles, right? So how are you going to calculate this? Now please tell me at first, what is the area of this base, beta? What is the area of rectangle?
The area of a rectangle is length times width.
Yes, excellent. Length times the width. You're going to write this at first. This is how you're going to frame the length into width. Plus, what we are going to do is we are going to calculate the total areas of the triangles. How many triangles are there? One triangle, two triangle, three triangle, four triangle. Can we not, instead of writing the half into base into height for each triangle, can we not write it as 1, 2, 3, 4? What are these four sides?
Triangles.
Yes, four sides of the triangles, the four bases of the triangles. Instead of bases, can we not write again the perimeter of the base?
Yeah, we can.
We can write, what is the perimeter of base, beta? Length plus width plus length plus width. So 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, right?
Yeah.
Yes, 2 times the length plus 2 times the width into height. Can we not write it as that?
So
is it confusing? I'll explain to you again. So the first thing was length into width of this is the area of rectangle, actual base, right?
Yeah.
Area of base. Next, we are going to write this triangle, this triangle, this triangle, this triangle. So these bases, how many bases are here, beta? Bases of the
4.
triangles. 4 bases of the triangles. Instead of 4 bases, we can just write it as what is actually the area of the triangle? Please tell me. Area of the triangle is equal to half into
Oh,
base into height, right?
Yeah.
The first thing that we just discussed, area of the triangle is nothing but, I just told you, if we write a height, it is half into base into height. Why was it half, beta? I just told you, if you just calculate base into height, then actually calculating the square rectangle
Yeah.
and not the area of this one. So we are getting it into half to make the area of the triangle. So for the area of the triangle, we write half into base into height, right?
Yeah.
Right. Now, what are the bases here? Just tell me what are the bases here. Let's write the same. Half into. What are the bases? Base is nothing but this one. 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4. So it is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width of the rectangle. Correct?
Okay, so
Yes.
that's the perimeter basically, right?
Yes, that is actually the base. Base of each of the triangles. Total triangles. How many do you have it? 4 triangles, right?
Yeah.
What is the basis? 1, 2, 3, 4 bases. 2 times the length. That is length plus width plus width. Fine?
Okay, yeah, got it.
So in the place of half into base, you are writing half as it is. You're writing base. Instead of base, what you're going to see? The perimeter of this rectangle. And then what is the height now? What did I just tell you? Aisha, you should not calculate h. You're going to see the slant height, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So height is yes. So this is the formula for the pyramid. Understood?
Understood.
Understood. It's almost easy.
Wait,
Okay. Can you please write this down, Beta?
Yeah. So this is for every pyramid or triangle shape.
For every pyramid and triangle, if the pyramid changes to triangle based pyramid, then actually this one changes. LW changes. Everything rest of the things remain the same. The LW, the first part, the area of the base will change. Okay.
Wait, what is this area of because I can't see the bottom part.
Area of the base.
Oh, okay, area.
Area of base. First we'll write area of the base. That is LW is nothing but area of the base, and this is area of 3 triangles. Okay, area of 3 triangles. However, it's not 3 triangles, it's 4 triangles, right? Yes.
Yeah, it's 4 triangles.
So what is surface area equal to? Surface area of rectangular pyramid. You just write it down, Vita. The surface area of the rectangular pyramid is equal to area of the base. You can just write the smaller part, okay? I just split this smaller part into this one. You write this one. Just one. Surface area is equal to area. What is capital A? It is area of the base. Area of the base is nothing but length into width, right? Plus half into. What is P here? P is the perimeter of the base again. Perimeter of the base is length plus width plus width. So it is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width into side, into the slant height. Yes, the slant height. Okay, you should not consider h, but you are going to consider slant height, right? So this area is actually this one. Okay, LW, area is calculated as LW, perimeter is calculated as 2L plus 2W, correct? 2 length plus 2 width. Understood?
Also,
any doubts in this?
Yeah, surface area, that's a triangle's formula, right?
Yes, this is just remember the formula. You write it down somewhere. Area of the triangle is actually equal to half into base into height. Okay. What is base now? What are the bases now? It is nothing but perimeter of the square. What is the base of each triangle? Is perimeter of this rectangle, correct? Length plus width plus length plus width. So should I clear this down and write it again?
No, I got it done.
Okay, mashallah. So is it easy? Is it going easy now?
Yeah, it's going easy.
Mashallah. So we'll quickly see your homeworks now, Vita. Where are we? Okay, surface area of this. Okay, you have the first question. Is it 18? The question number 18? Okay, I'll just erase this part. Okay, do you remember now what is the surface area? Have you written it down?
Yeah, I've written down.
Okay, but now please tell me how will you calculate? They have given the slant height. Isn't it the slant height that they've given? Yes.
Yeah, they have given us.
Slant height. What is slant height? Yes is equal to 4. And what is length and width? Length is equal to 2. Width is equal to 2. Apply it in formula. Just write surface area is equal to area of rectangle plus, what is it? Half into, what is the basis here? Half into perimeter of the
2.
2 plus 2. 2 into 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, okay? Into
Okay.
slant height. It's just a formula, you have to going to write it first, right? This is the area of base, and this is perimeter, and this is the, what is yes? Yes, it's slant height, right? Okay, mashallah, beta. So now quickly add everything into the formula, beta. Surface area is equal to, what is the area of the rectangle? Rectangle or the square? 2 into 2, right?
Yeah, so 4.
What is it? 4 plus half into, what is the perimeter of the rectangle? You know, perimeter is actually the base of this triangle. Perimeter of the rectangle is 2
So
plus
it's
2 plus 2 plus 2.
Yeah.
No. What is it? What is the total answer? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus
For
2.
the whole perimeter? 8.
Yes, whole perimeter you're going to calculate. Because 2 times length
So
plus 2
8.
times width gives you 2, is it 8? Yes, half into 8 into, what is the slant height, beta? Slant height is already given.
Height is 4.
Slant height of the triangle. Is it 4? Yes, excellent. This is your answer. 4 plus half into 8 into 4. What is 8 times the 4?
8 times 4 is 32.
8 times 4 is 32. Yes, excellent.
32.
Half into 32. What is half into 32? Plus 4, right? Do you know the ruling called BODMAS?
What ruler?
BODMAS, in which, what you are first, which operation are you going to do? Multiplication operation, right? And then the
PEMDAS?
PEMDAS or BODMAS, 2 in 1.
Oh, okay.
PEMDAS. This is the ruling, right? First you're going to do multiplication, then you're going to do addition. Now please solve it down in your rough book or somewhere with a 4 plus half times 8 into 4. Tell me the final answer. Was it easy? Please write all of it down so that you won't forget it while you're going to write the test.
So 1/2 times 32, basically.
Yes. What is half of 32?
So the answer is 16.
Half of 32 is 16. And what about this one, beta? Plus 4. Is half of 32 16?
20, so it's 20.
16 plus 4 is 20. Excellent, Aisha. The answer, the surface area of this rectangular based pyramid is 20. What is it? 20. Understood? Any doubts on this? Just stop me there and ask me the doubts, okay? So what is this pyramid? Now tell me, what is this pyramid? It is rectangular based pyramid. Fine, beta. First you have to write it as a rectangular based pyramid. In a pyramid, if you're going to split this, you have a base, right? So the surface area is equal to area of the base. Area of the base is nothing but length into width plus half into the base. Base is nothing but, the base of all the triangles is nothing but, it is again the perimeter of the rectangle, right? What is the perimeter of this rectangle? It is length, 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, right? Perimeter का मतलब क्या होता है? Total surface, right? 1 plus 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 plus. You're going to add all of these sides when you're going to calculate the surface area. So perimeter, right? So half into P. What is the height? Height, you should not take capital H. Not the height of the pyramid. You're not going to consider height of the pyramid. Just remember this every time, beta, okay? You're not going to consider height of the pyramid. Height of the pyramid will somewhat fall here. But we're actually having the slant height of each of the triangle. We want slant height, this height. Understood?
Yeah, got it.
Slant height, yes. So this is the surface area of the pyramid and this is the formula to it. Understood? Please write this down. For area, it is LW. For perimeters, it is 2L plus 2W. Understood? So the answer to this was 20. Was it 20 centimeter or centimeter square? If they are given it centimeter into centimeter, what were we going to, area is calculated in square form, right? So it is centimeter square. If it is centimeter, then it's centimeter square. If it's inch, then inch square. In that way, you have to write it down, okay? The unit you have to write, okay? This is the answer to the 18th question that was in your curriculum. Okay, this one bit, it is same as the previous, but just check what is wrong here. Have they given you the slant height?
No, they haven't.
No.
They only gave us the midpoint.
Yes, they have given the height, that is 7 feet, but they have not given the slant height. How will you find the slant height, beta? Can you please tell me? I just told you are going to apply one theorem. Which is that theorem?
The Plagiarism.
Pythagoras theorem. Yes, excellent. How are you going to do this? Is nothing but you are going to write slant height, yes, here, and then you're going to draw something like this. Okay, the half of, can you do it in this way? Yes or no?
In which way?
Just the way Pythagoras
Oh
theorem
yeah,
had.
we can. Yeah.
We can do it because this is 4, right, beta? What is half of 4? Actually, this is half of 4, right? This
Two.
this this triangle is half of 4. So we will
Yeah.
find 2 here. So this triangle we have, this is 7, this is 2. Now what is this one? Understood, my Aisha?
Yeah. Understood. Yeah.
Yes. Now please tell me the slant height. You're just going to find the slant height and then the same procedure as previous. Surface area is calculated. Right? Come
So
on,
we
beta.
basically. So we basically.
So we basically want slant height, length, and width. We have length and width as 4. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
But we do not
No.
have slant
So
height. They have just given height here.
we have length and width as 7 and 2, right? Because half of
No,
4
length
is.
and width. 1 minute, beta. This is a 4 feet. This is 4 feet. This is 4 feet again. This is 4 feet again. This is 4 feet again. Okay? So यहाँ से यहाँ तक we are going to construct something. Isn't it half? This height goes to half, right? Half of this. Half of 4. This is 4. Inside this triangle, we are going to frame a simple triangle in this way. The half of 4. It will be half of 4, right?
Yeah.
The inside triangle that we are going to form is half of 4, which is 2. So we are going to calculate slant height for that.
Okay.
What is Pythagorean state, beta? Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent side square plus opposite side square, right?
Yeah.
What is adjacent side? 7 square plus 2 square is equal to hypotenuse square. What is 7 square, beta?
7 square. Hold up. 49.
7 times is?
49.
49. 49 plus 2 square.
4.
4. Excellent. 49 plus 4.
Can you say that again?
49 plus 4, beta. What is 49 plus 4?
Sorry. 53.
Is it 53? Yes, it is 53. What about this one, beta? What about hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is equal to root of 53, right? Can we not write this root of 53 as something else? Like root of 53 can be written, split it and written as like this, somewhat like this. Can you write it?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, how can we write, how many times is 53 in that way? Please extract and tell how can you write 53 as? Can we write it as
253?
4 times? No, it doesn't go in any table, right? 53 won't go in any table. So let it be 53. Okay? Let it be root 53. Just leave it out as it is. Okay? So what is hypotenuse square? What is the slant height now? It is root 53. That's all. Root. Okay. Root 53. What's it? Okay. Root 53 is our slant height, beta. Understood? Okay. Now what is length and what is width, beta? Is it not 4 feet?
It's 4 feet.
Yes. What is width? It is 4 feet again.
Yeah.
Okay. What else do you need? Nothing else, right? Because height is not required again. Height is actually not required. We just found the slant height. Yes, slant height. Yes. Now please write the formula. Tell me the formula for this surface area. It is area of the base, that is rectangle, plus half into perimeter of the rectangle into the slant height. Correct? What is the area of the rectangle now? Length into width plus half into 2 times the length plus 2 times the width into the slant height. Okay, what is length into width, beta?
Length into width is 4 times 4.
Excellent. What is 4 into 4? Let's just write the answer.
16.
4, 4, 16 plus half. Can you see the screen? Entire screen?
Yeah, I can see the entire screen.
Yes. Half into. What is 2L plus 2W? What is the 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4?
4 plus 4. 1 second.
We need 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. The perimeter of base, right, beta?
Yeah.
Yes. So what is it in total, beta? Is it not 16 again? The perimeter is same as area. And what is the
Wait,
slant height
I'm
now?
not. Wait, hold up. So we did 4 plus 4 plus 4
Yes.
because we're trying to find the
Base.
perimeter of the base.
Base. Yes, base.
Oh, okay.
And what is the slant height, beta?
Slant height is. We
We
don't
just
know.
found it out.
Oh, sorry, 53. Yes, sorry.
Yes. Is it not 53? Root 53?
It's
Yes.
53.
So
Yeah, root
how will
50.
you calculate now, Aisha? Is it 16 plus
Yeah.
half?
So
Half. What is half times 16? Half of 16?
I'm doing.
Yes, please do it in your rough book and tell me the answer.
It's 16 over 1/2.
Yes. What is it? Half of 16 is? It's just simple.
8. So
8 root 53, right?
yeah.
8 root 53. It is 16 plus 8 root 53. You can just write this as it is, or you can just leave it as it is, okay? Let's leave this as it is as just the feet, okay?
Yeah.
I guess some part is missing here, Vita. Okay?
Okay.
I guess some part is missing in the question, but for this question, time being for this question, this answer is right, okay? For the question that they have given, this answer is correct. Okay, we'll see the next part. Shall we go for the next question? Are you done with the third question? Is it fine now?
Yeah, I'm done with the third question.
Okay, you
One
have
second.
understood
I'm
how
just
to
writing
calculate.
something. Can you not erase it right now? I'm just writing something now.
You want to write all of this down?
Yeah, for my
Yes, please write it down. Write it down, beta. If the teacher corrects you, then just tell me. I guess they have not given the dimensions right here. Okay, so the answer is somewhat peculiar.
Okay.
Okay, so how did we calculate the slant height? Do I have to revise again? How did we calculate the slant height? It is nothing but the hypotenuse square is equal to the adjacent square plus opposite square. So it is 4 square plus 7 square, correct? Is equal to the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is nothing but the slant height. Hypotenuse square. So 4 square plus 4 times is 16. 16 plus 49. Sorry, 2 square. It's not. It's 2 square plus 49. Okay. What is 2 square plus 49? 50, 51, 52, 53. 53. So root of 53 is your height. Okay. So, okay. That's fine. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. So we have got slant height, then we know the length, then we know the width. So surface area is equal to total area of the base plus half into perimeter of the base into side. So length into width is the area of the base, half into perimeter of the base into side. So it is 16 plus half into something, something, something. So what is the answer to this? 16 plus 8 root 53. You can further simplify this, but actually this is enough, okay? If you want, you can further simplify this. You can take out 8, okay? You can take out 8 and you can write 2 plus root 53 instead of everything. Okay? You have so many forms to do this. Even you can simplify this one. But for time being, this is enough, or else it will become somewhat more difficulties for you, okay? But don't forget to write the
we can't just do 16 plus 8 and then root 53.
Then go for what, beta?
So
no, we cannot do that. That's what I'm explaining to you. It's 8 root 53, okay? It's 8 root 53. This cannot be done because we do not have anything outside this. 8 root, this is an irrational number. Do you have some concept called irrational numbers?
No.
No, so you won't understand this, but you cannot do this. 16 plus 8, you are not supposed to do that. Okay? This is 8 root 53 is one number, and you do not have anything to add with anything to add with 16. Okay? Okay, so it is 16 plus 8 root 53, or you can extract 8 outside whole. So 8 2 times is 16 plus root 53, you can write it in that way. The whole 8 can be extracted outside. Okay, instead of that, you can write 8 time over the 2 plus root 53. Okay, just write it down. It's done. We'll see the next part, beta. Can you please do this for me? It's quite easy. Same as the previous one. You're going to calculate the slant height. Have they given you the slant height?
Yeah, they have. Just 3.
Yes. What are you going to calculate now, beta? Please tell me. What do you want now? Is
We're
it
just gonna
not the
calculate.
base? They have not given you the base, correct? They have not given you any of the base. They have just given you the slant height and the height. Slant height they've given you. Slant height is equal to 3 root 2. And what is
Yeah,
the height? Height is equal to 3.
3 root.
Now please tell me how will you calculate the base? Again, the
No, the
Pythagoras
slant.
theorem
Wait,
comes
hold on,
into
hold on.
picture.
Isn't the slant height 3? Because it's showing 3.
No, but that is 3 root 2. See here, it is slant height is 3 root 2.
Then what's the
And the
line
height is
beside
3.
it?
The height is
Is it?
3. See here, beta. See the arrow mark, please. 3 root 2 is the slant height.
Oh, okay. Sorry, my bad.
This height h is 3. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So can we not form a triangle there? We
Yeah, we
have
can.
3 centimeter here and slant height as 3 root 2, but we do not know the base. Base will be half of this one, right? The base of this
Yeah,
one will half of this one. So 2 times if we find base, then we'll get this one. Correct or wrong?
correct.
Correct. So we want this one. This side we want. Which side? This side we want. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent side square plus opposite side square. So hypotenuse, where is hypotenuse? 3 root 2 whole square is equal to, we have adjacent side. Do you have adjacent side? No. We just write a
No, we
square
have
there. We have opposite side, which is
3 squared.
okay. What is 3 root 2 whole square?
3, so
Please
it would
solve
be
this down.
9.
I want to see how we will solve this.
So it would
Please solve
be.
this down. 3 root 2 whole square is equal to a square plus 3 square.
So it would be 9.
No.
Yeah, 3 squared 2 is.
Okay, how will you do this is actually 3 root 2 whole square is whenever you have something like 3 root 2, you're going to add squaring for each one, okay? So it becomes 3 square and root 2 whole square. Okay? So root 2 and square actually cancels out. Do you know this?
No, I don't think I've.
The root and square, if they are written in the same pattern, for example, if you have root 4 and square, this square and this root cancels out. Okay?
Okay.
This
So
is
it
a
would
side
be
point that you have to remember. So it is 3 square and root 2 and square cancels out. So 3 square into 2. What is 3 square into 2?
Oh, 9.
3 square is 9 into 2.
Yeah, so 3 times 3, because we're squaring it, is 9.
9. And what is into 2, beta? Into 2. There's a 2 as well, right?
Okay. Sorry, 11.
Yes. 9 into 2.
11.
No. 9 into 2. What is 9 into times 2? 9 times 2.
Oh, we're multiplying that?
Yes, we have to multiply that because there's no addition there. Wait, I'll just clear all the screen and just tell you in a proper way. So we have hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent side square plus opposite side square. So we
Wait,
have this.
I have a question on the Pythagoras theorem. So the way that my teacher said it was basically input any values. Like for us, it would be like for
Yes, beta.
example, like a plus b equals c, which they're all squared. So is this the same? Like because you're doing adjacent and opposite side, right?
Okay, yes, it's the same actually. I have taken the trigonometric terms, adjacent side and opposite sides. Okay.
Oh, okay, got
These
it.
are the trigonometric terms. Okay, I think you won't understand this, but actually, in the higher studies, we actually use these terms as adjacent and opposite sides. No problem. If you don't understand, no problem.
Okay.
I'll just tell you if it is side A and side B. Do you want me to tell in that way?
No,
Okay,
no, it's fine.
Okay, it's fine, right? Just these two sides that is left out. That's all.
Yeah.
Squaring the two different sides. Okay. So you understand this concept, right? Any doubts? No
No,
doubts.
I don't. No doubts.
Okay. So instead of adjacent side, you can just take A or B, something like that. Two sides. That's just the squaring the two sides. That's all. So we just need one side here, right? One base of
Mm-hmm.
this Pythagoras triangle. So here we have a hypotenuse square is nothing but 3 square, which is equal to 3 root 2 whole square plus the something that is not that is not given is a square. Okay. So 3
Yeah.
square is 9, which is equal to again 3 square and root 2 square. Root 2 root and this cancels out. So it is 3 square into 2. Understood?
Yeah. Plus A then,
Plus
right?
a square. Okay. What is 3 square into
Mm-hmm.
2? 9 into 2 is 18. It is
18.
18 plus a square is equal to 9. So what we do? How will you find this algebraic expression? Aisha just told that you have a good hold on algebra, right?
Yeah.
Come on, please solve this down. Solve this algebraic expression down, Deborah, please.
Oh yeah. Can I do it on paper and then just tell you the answer?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Sorry, I just wrote it wrong way, I guess. What is the hypotenuse is 3 root 2 square, Victor. 18 is here, okay? Hypotenuse is 3 root 2, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we just confused it out. 3 root 2 square is hypotenuse, and inside is hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent square plus opposite side square. So we just wrote correct diagram, but in application we just did it wrong. 3 root 2 is hypotenuse and 3 centimeter is an adjacent side. So inside we are going to write 3 square plus something square. Hypotenuse is 3 root 2 whole square, which is nothing but 18, right? 18 is equal to 9 plus a square. Now please tell me what is a equal to how much? 8 is equal to 9 plus a square. How will you write it down? Are you solving this, Vita?
Yeah, I'm solving it.
Just tell me the answer to A. It's quite easy.
Is it? It's if I did it right, then it's 3.
Yes, excellent. The answer is
3.
yes. Understood how we are going to do this? 18 minus 9 is 9. A square
Yeah.
is equal to 9. A is nothing but 3 centimeter. So if the A is 3 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter. Is it not the double? The base is the double of this one, right? Because it is a midpoint. Height that stands on the midpoint.
Yeah.
So 3 plus
It
3
is.
is 6. So this is 6, this is 6, this is 6, this is 6. Understood? And the slant height
Yeah.
is 3 root 2. Fine, I'll clear the screen. Any doubts?
Wait, hold up one second.
Okay, please write it down. Are you finding it easy with me?
Yeah, it's easy.
Okay, Masha.
Okay, I got it down.
Okay, alhamdulillah. So we have 6 centimeter here, 6 centimeter base, all the bases 6 centimeter throughout. So this is your slant height. What is the slant height? 3 root 2. So
Yeah.
we just need two expressions, right? Slant height is equal to 3 root 2 and the length is equal to 6 centimeter. And what is the width, beta? Is again the 6 centimeter. Now,
Centimeter.
please tell me what is the formula. Surface area is equal to area of the rectangle base or square base plus half
1/2.
into the perimeter of the base into the slant height.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
What is the area? We can write it as length into width plus half into what is the perimeter again? Length plus width plus length plus width. So it is 4 times the or the 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Correct?
Yeah.
Into the slant height. Now, what is length into width? What is the area of the base? Is nothing but 6 into 6.
Yeah, 6 plus 2, 6W. Times, sorry.
Yes, 6 into 6 is? Is it not
36.
36? Plus
36.
half into what is all the base? Addition of all the bases. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6.
Yeah. So
What is it?
1/2.
What is it? 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6? Answer to it, beta.
36.
No, it's not 36. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 into 4, right?
Oh, okay.
It's 24 here. Area is length into width, correct? Perimeter of the base is adding all the bases together.
Yeah.
2 times the length. 2 times the length is 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. Perimeter is nothing but length plus length plus width. Is it not 24?
It is.
Yes. Then what is the slant height now?
The slant height is 3√2.
Excellent. Now please solve this down and tell me the final answer to this, beta. It's quite easy. Half into 24. Half times 24. What is half of 24? 12 into 3√2, right? Now you can actually multiply 12 with 3. What is 12 multiplied with 3?
36.
Is it 36? So is it not 36 plus 36 root 2?
Yeah, it is.
Can we not take 36 outside?
Wait, can you just so first you did 36 times 1/2, right?
36 times 1/2? No, beta, we do not do 36 times 1/2.
Oh,
please
sorry,
take
36 plus 1/2, right?
24 times 1/2.
So, oh, okay, over there we did. So we
So it is
left the
12,
30.
right? Answer to that is 12, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
12,
so
and then it is multiplied with
okay,
3
got it.
because it's nearer to this and you can easily multiply. After the plus, we
Okay,
have
got
multiplication operation. 12 into 3 is 36, correct? So it is
Yeah.
36 root 2. So can we
Okay,
not,
got it.
so we get this one, 36 plus 36 root 2. Understood?
Understood.
So 36 we can drag outside. If we drag 36 outside, then it will be 36 plus 1 root 2. This will be your final answer. This you can write, keep this one, or you can keep this one, and you have to write centimeter square along with it. That's all.
Okay.
Understood? Understood? Any doubts? Should we move to the next part? Actually, we are playing almost time. Okay. We'll just quickly see another one, and then we'll move. We'll just dismiss this class, inshallah. So, understood? Any doubts in this pyramid, rectangular based pyramid, beta?
No.
No, right? So now in this session, what we had was, it was square based pyramids. Okay. Because all the width were same. This was 4 or this was 4 in this way. But sometimes they'll give 6 into 4 in this way. Okay. While calculating that, you should be somewhat alert while calculating. Okay. The formula is same for square based and rectangular based pyramid. That's all. Understood?
Yeah, understood.
Okay. All of the pyramids, you will have almost the same formula. For all of the pyramids, or you will have almost same of the formula. Okay. So next we'll see just the prism part. Surface area of the prism. What did I tell you about the prism? Prism has in its curved surface, it has all the rectangles, and the bases can change, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
All the sides are rectangles.
Is it difficult to remember? Is it difficult to remember?
No, it's not.
Is it difficult to remember, beta? So can you please recap what is a pyramid? When pyramid, the concept of pyramid comes, just remember the pyramids of Giza or something like that. Pyramids of Egypt and more.
Pyramid is when the
just remember that. Pyramids ka matlab hota hai? Yes. They have triangles on its top, and the bases can change. They can have a triangular base, they can have a square base, etc., etc. Understood?
Yeah, understood.
Yes. If you have a pyramid, if you have a prism, then you will have two bases. One on top, one on the bottom. Two bases. This bases can be of triangle, this can be of rectangle, or this can be of pentagon, or this can be of hexagon. Two bases, okay? And then the rest of the part will always be rectangles in a pyramid, in a prism, okay? Understand this. Rest of all of this should be a rectangle. Rectangle here, rectangle here, rectangle here. Clear? Understand this concept of the prism? Yes.
Yeah.
Now please tell me, which prism do you have here?
We have a rectangular prism.
No. We are going to check the bases first. Which is the prism here, beta?
No, but didn't you say the sides?
Yes, the sides are always rectangle. Even if you have a triangle based, I told you if you have triangle on the bases, the sides will always be the rectangle. Okay? But we did not call it all of the pyramids as rectangle-based prisms. We do not call all of the prisms as rectangle-based prism. See here. If you're having two rectangles here, beta, on the bases, if you're having two pentagons on the bases, okay?
Yeah.
Then all else will be rectangles, correct?
Yeah.
Everything else will be rectangles. But while naming this, you cannot name all of these pyramids as rectangle-based pyramids. What we name is as we'll just check the base, triangular-based. While naming this, what we said? Prisms, right? Okay, sorry. I'm just messing up with the term pyramid and prism. So these are prisms, right? All of these are prisms. Prisms have two bases, right? Prisms have two bases and the surfaces are rectangles. All the surfaces are rectangles. And two bases can vary. One can be a triangle. Two bases are nothing but triangle or the squares or the rectangles or the pentagon. So we call this one as triangular based prism. This one as a square based or rectangle based prism. This one as pentagon based prisms. Okay. So here we have triangle based prisms. This and this are the triangles. Understood?
Understood.
We are going to write this as triangle based prisms. Okay? The prism is nothing but prism का मतलब होता है कि the sides of the prism will always be rectangle. Just this one. This is the concept of prism. ठीक है? Not unlike the pyramid. Unlike the pyramid, the sides are triangles, but here the unique feature of the prism is sides are rectangles. Unique feature of the pyramid is sides are all triangles. Understood?
Understood.
Okay. How will you calculate the surface area of this pyramid, beta? This prism, beta?
So, perimeter times.
So we have two triangles, right?
Yeah.
Correct? Two triangles.
Yeah.
Triangles का मतलब होता है half into base into height. Correct? Half into one. For one triangle, if you're going to calculate, it is half into base into height. For two triangles, if you're calculating, it is 2 times half into base into height. 2 and 2 cancels out. It's just the base into height. Correct?
Yeah.
So this is 2 times base area, which is nothing but just the base height. Okay? Base height. Base and height. This is nothing but triangles is done. Fine. Now what we want? 1, 2, 3. How many rectangles do we have?
3.
3 rectangles. What if for 3 rectangles? How will you calculate? What will you? 3 rectangles.
So
is it not breadth length into breadth for the for one rectangle?
So, yeah,
length into
it is.
Length into width for one rectangle, and then for what about 3? We have same width, right? Same width, correct?
Yeah.
Same width.
Correct.
So what we write? Same length for both of it. So we'll write one length and width will change. So instead of that, what we write? S1 plus S2 plus S3. This S1 plus S2 plus S3, we are going to write instead of the perimeter. Is it fine?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want me to split this up and write? Okay, we have a triangle here. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle again. This is a rectangle again. If you want me to open this figure, then it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, beta?
Okay.
Okay. So this is a side. This is one side. This is 2 side. And this is 3 side. Okay? Side 1, side 2, side 3. Side 1, side 2, side 3. So this is length, 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 length. Okay? Okay. And this is the 2 triangles. 2 triangles, how to find? It is nothing but half into base into height for single triangle. For 2 triangles, what you do? Into 2, right? So 2 cancels out. It's nothing but base into height. This one is understood. Fine?
Yeah, that's understood.
Fine. So to calculate the length of now what we have this one is done. Just let's remove these 2 triangles now. 2 triangles are removed out, beta. Now we want 1, 2, 3 rectangles, correct? For all of these 3 rectangles, how will you calculate? If you do if you do multiply it with each, then it will be actually wrong because you have length same here. Okay? To calculate it, how to do? Add this one up. You add S1 plus S2 plus S3. You will get one whole rectangle, correct? Correct? Aisha, you will
Yeah.
get, if you add S1 plus S2 plus S3, you will get whole of this width
Yeah, because trying to find.
multiplied by L. Correct? This one, whole of the rectangle multiplied by L. So this is S1 plus S2 plus S3 multiplied by this length. Width is written as S1 plus S2 plus S3 multiplied by L. Understood now?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
It's very easy, right?
Yeah, it's easy.
Is it not easy? So
Yeah.
if you open this up, you will have this figure. Do you want me to explain it better? This is S1,
No.
this is
Yeah, I
S2, this is
got it.
S3. You got it already, mashallah. So triangles was base into height, and then it is for this one, it is nothing but length into width, right? Length into width to calculate the area
Yeah.
of the rectangles. So we'll add up all of these sides, S1 plus S2 plus S3, and then we're going to multiply it with here. That's all. So we'll soon see problem that is given in your curriculum. This is a problem number 20, beta. Do you have your worksheet with you now?
Yeah, I have my worksheet.
Yes. So can you please tell me, is it which prism, which is it prism? Yes. Which prism is this? Which prism is this?
Could it be a triangle?
Check. Yes, triangle based prism. Just check the bases here. This is a triangle. This is a triangle,
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah.
Base is a triangle. Tell me everything else. Everything is rectangles, right? One rectangle, two
Yeah.
rectangles, three rectangles. So understood, mashallah. So you have to remember what is the surface area of a prism is nothing but side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 multiplied with length plus breadth into height of the triangle. Understood?
Understood.
Any doubts in this? This is the formula.
this
We have understood the derivation as well of the formula. Now,
this
side
is
3 is not
wait, hold
given.
up. This is a new formula
Yes, it should be a different from the previous one, beta.
for which shape is this for?
I just told you the shape. We just found the shape one, right? This
Yeah,
is the
and I'm
shape.
sorry, I didn't mean shape. I mean like see,
This shape, beta. It is
oh, okay,
prism, right?
sorry, I got it.
Previously, we
Sorry.
previously we studied about pyramid, and now this is a prism. This is the 20th question in yours. Okay, it is a prism.
Okay, got it.
18th and 19th question. 18th and 19th question were based on the pyramids. The 20th question is of the prism. Fine. Which type of prism
Yeah,
is this? Please write it down. Is it triangular based prism?
it's
Yes.
triangular based prism.
Triangular based prism. Understand the concept? Yes, mashallah. Okay, beta. So what is not given? Please tell me, Aisha. There is something that is not given. Are all the three sides available?
So the length and the width is available, and the base is.
Base is also available, length is available, width is available.
Yeah.
Side 1 is available, side 2 is available. Where is side 3?
Wait,
This is side 1, this is side 2, this is
yeah.
side 3, right? Where is side 3?
Okay.
Side 3 is not
Side 3
available.
is not
It's easy
there.
to find. How will you find?
So we'll use
Already
the.
given it is 90 degree. Pythagoras theorem again. Please find the side and tell me the answer to this, beta. You're going to do this. We are almost time for the class. H square is equal to h square plus 6 square. Correct?
Yeah.
Please solve it down and tell me what is the height. What is the hypotenuse? What is 8 square plus 6 square? 6 square? What is 8 square? 64? 6 square, 36.
Yeah. So you add them.
64 plus 36 is 100. What is root of 100? 10.
10.
What is side 3 now? Is it not 10?
It is 10.
Yes, understood. So have you written all of this down?
Oh, wait, 1 second. Can you?
Triangular base prism. The hypotenuse is 10 centimeters. That is side 3 is 10 centimeters. And everything we have got now, we are just going to apply all of this in the formula. That's all.
Okay, got it down.
Got it down? Okay, I'll just release the extra part. Okay, please find the answer to this, beta. It's very easy. Very, very easy. What is surface area? Now, please tell me what to apply. What is side 1?
Side 1 is 6.
Plus?
8.
Plus?
3.
No. 10.
Oh,
Just
sorry,
now
10.
10.
Yeah, I was looking at the number 10.
Okay, what is the length? Length is nothing but 5, right?
Yeah.
Plus. What is breadth?
So base is
Base into height. Excellent. What is base into height? Just consider the triangle, beta. In the triangle, which is the height? Which do you consider as a height? 6 is the height, right? Because it is standing
yeah.
straight. 6 is the height. What about base? Is it 8 base?
It's 8.
Are you sure? Is it the 8 based?
Or could it be 5?
No, we are finding the triangle. Where are the triangles here? 2 triangles.
Yeah. So the base would
Base is
be
10. Base is 10. Okay, we have not got height here, right?
Yeah, we don't.
We have to find height as well. So that will be another procedure to find the height of the. Okay. So this is the triangle that we have. So base is 10, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So base is 10. And we have. How come that be the base? Can we take 8 as a base? Yes, 8 as a base we can take. And 6 as a height we can take, beta. Okay, we just can take base and height as 8 and 6. Because it's standing straight. Correct? 8 is a base and 6 is a height. It will be confusing if you take 10 and more in that. No, it's correct. Okay, now please tell me the rest of it.
So it would be 24 because 6 plus 8 plus 10 is 24. And then L plus
24
84.
times 5, correct? Plus,
Oh,
what is
yeah,
80?
sorry. 64.
No.
Oh, 40.
What is 24 times 5? 4 times 20, 2 carry. What is the answer to this, beta? 120 plus 48. 8 6 times is 48, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's 168.
Is it 168? Yes. Excellent. This is your answer, okay? So 168 is the answer. If the answer differs, then only you can change this one, okay? If your teacher says that the answer is wrong, then you just have to change this one, this part, base into height. Because they are not clear with the base and height here. Correct? They have not shaped this prism in proper way. Correct? This prism is not a standard straight in the proper way, actually. So it might differ, but it is actually the right answer to this prism that is standing here now. Fine?
Yeah.
So it is 168 centimeters square is the surface area. Okay, so we are done with the class actually. Do you want me to help you with the rest of it?
No, I got it.
You got it, right? So for this one, the question number 21 is same as the previous one. It is the same, okay? What are the 3 sides given here? Side 1 is 4. Side 2 is
7.
5. Side 3 is 5 again. 5. Because 2 triangles will be same. This side is 5, 5. And this side is 4. What is the length? It is 7. That is done.
Yeah.
You just have to calculate one thing here. Height is to be calculated, okay? How will you calculate the height?
We're going to do...
You'll just see half of 4 is 2. Okay? And one side, 5. 5 is the slant, this one. So what is the height? This is a height h. You're going to calculate, okay? 5 square plus 2 square. 5 square plus 2 square. What is 5 square? 25. 25 plus 4. 25 plus 4 gives you?
28. 29.
29. It's root of 29, okay? So root 29 is the height here. Everything else will be the same. Please write this down so that you will find it easy while working out with this problem. Okay, by what date do you want to give this homework to your school?
It's by so I think on Monday.
You want to give it by Monday, so you have many problems left out, you know. I'll just share the slide with you. I have prepared this notes for you. You can just take this down, okay? It will help you a lot while solving for the prisms part. The next part is actually square based prism, okay? To calculate
This one,
square based.
this one I got number 19.
Okay, 19. You have got it easily. Yes, it is easy actually. It is nothing but 2 times the length into breadth, breadth into height, and length into height. This is the formula for that. Okay, it's actually easy. And these are the formula pairs that I have given to you. And this is a trapezium based.
Can you go back to that slide?
Okay, I'll tell you. This is actually, I'll tell you. Can you please recognize which prism is this? It is trapezium based prism. Okay, you have to remember this. It is trapezium based prism. Okay. I'll share the slides with you, beta, no problem. I'll share all of the slides with you, okay? Trapezium based prism. And this one, you will have a different answer. What you have to do is you have to construct something here. For this problem, you're going to construct a line here, okay? You're going to construct a line here. You're going to calculate for this one. And then you're going to calculate for this one. Give it a try. It's actually easy, okay? You'll have 3 centimeters here, 3 centimeters here. And the above part is nothing but triangle-based pyramid. And the below part is nothing but rectangular-based pyramid. Sorry, prisms. So you have 2 things. Rectangular-based prism. Sorry, prism. Yes, it's prism. And then triangle-based prism. Okay? You're going to calculate for 2 things. So it will be easy actually. Just give it a try. Inshallah, you will get it.
Yes.
So this was the class for today. Any doubts in the session that I have taken till now?
No.
No, mashallah. Barakallahu fiki. Have a good day. Is it a night there?
Wait, what did you say?
Is it night there or it's day?
No, it's...
Is it a day?
It's early.
It's early morning there, I guess. Yes. Early morning. Okay, mashallah. So it's actually the night time here.
Oh, okay.
It's around 8:30 p.m. the night time here, okay? So alhamdulillah, this was the class for today. Vita, take care of yourself.
You too.
Have a good day. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka